Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to get a free upgrade on Porter Airlines. Now, there are a couple of steps and I'm just going to walk you through them one at a time. So here's a detailed guide on how to increase your chances of getting a free upgrade on Porter Airlines. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to www.flightporter.com. Ensure you are using the latest version of the website for the best experience. On the home page, go ahead and use the flight search bar to begin booking a flight. So instead of just going through the process of, filling this out, that's from to date and then find flights, just head over here where you have fly now, pay later, and you have the flex pay. So if you use flex pay, I would like you to know that FlexPay is it allows you to, or gives you the freedom to finance your trip and pay over time. So with low monthly payments, you can easily budget and book the travel you want. So even if you want to use this, if you want to use the flex option, although it's affordable, then it also has the potential or the possibility of giving you an upgrade on your flight. So you can just book a flight with FlexPay and just select book a flight now and just book a flight with FlexPay. There is a possibility of getting an upgrade using the FlexPay. So that is one of the options. Then the second thing is to join the VIP Porter loyalty program. So before your flight, go ahead and sign up for the VIP Porter loyalty program. So it is the Porter Airlines frequent flyer program. So if you have not done that already, just go ahead and do that. Now, how do you do that? On the home page, head over here at the top menu where you have VIP Porter, and once you click on VIP Porter, you have this option that says about VIP Porter reserve certificate, and you have Porter terms and conditions. Okay, so I'm clicking on that. So let's go to about VIP Porter. I'm already a VIP Porter member, by the way. So this is how it works, and program highlights and program overview for VIP Porter, and you have this join and earn. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you will see an option that says join VIP Porter and get offers tailored for you. So click on VIP Porter, and that takes us here again. So if you have not joined VIP Porter, you're definitely going to find the option for you to be a member of the VIP Porter from here, especially if you click on VIP Porter over here. So you're going to see an option that says join VIP Porter. So click on join VIP Porter and follow the steps to create an account. The steps are actually self-explanatory. All you need to do is to provide your personal information, your email and contact details, then complete the registration. Now, by becoming a VIP Porter member, you accumulate points on each flight, and frequent flyers have a higher chance of being considered for upgrades. Members with high tier status, example VIP Porter status, VIP Porter passport rather, often have priority when upgrades are available. So that's it. Just if you're not a VIP Porter member, click on VIP Porter. You're going to see an option to join VIP Porter. Click on that and just follow the steps. Now, the next step is to arrive early for your flight. Now, on the day of your flight, arrive early at the airport, ideally 2 to 3 hours before your departure time. Pro tip: early arrival increases your chances of being noticed by the airline staff and allows you to politely ask for an upgrade at check-in if availability permits. So the fifth step is to check in online. So for you to check in online, of course, head over to the Porter website, and once again to the Porter website, you're going to see a tab from the home page that says check-in. Now click on check-in, which we have here. Click on the check-in tab, and once you click on the check-in tab, it takes you here. Now all you need to do here is to enter your confirmation number and your last name and click on check-in. Once your booking is retrieved, complete the online check-in. Now, if an upgrade is available during the online check-in process, Porter Airlines might offer you an opportunity to upgrade. If the upgrade is not free, keep an eye on possible discounts for upgrades during check-in. Now, after completing online check-in, if you are checking in baggage or need to visit the check-in counter at the airport, politely ask the staff if any complimentary upgrades are available. Mention your VIP, that's your VI Porter membership, and show your Flex or Freedom Fare booking if applicable, as this can increase your chances. So airlines are more likely to upgrade passengers who are dressed neatly, as it aligns with their business or premium seating standard. So dressing in smart casual attire can help leave a good impression when asking for an upgrade. Now, always be polite and cautious with the airline staff, as upgrades are often given based on customer behavior, availability, and discretion of the staff. So keep an eye on your email inbox for any special upgrade offers from Porter Airlines. Sometimes they send out last-minute upgrade promotions to frequent flyers or passengers who have booked higher fare classes. Occasionally, Porter Airlines offers incentive-based upgrade close to departure, such as offering premium upgrade in exchange for additional points or at a discounted rate. Then if the flight is overbooked, there may be opportunities for upgrades to create space in the economy cabin. And if the gate agents are asking for volunteers to give up seats, offer to volunteers. Sometimes, as a thank you, they may offer a complimentary upgrade on the next available flight or give you priority in rebooking. So these are pretty much the steps that you can take to to increase your chances of securing a free upgrade on Porter Airlines. So while upgrades are never guaranteed, being proactive, polite, and loyal to the airline improves your odds. Now go on with tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.